we did right. Was the day we started to fight. Keep your eyes on the prize. Hold on.
We will never forget where we've come from. Welcome to February Black Appreciation Month. Today's video is inspired by actress and Harvard student Yara Shahidi from the show Grownish. Today I'm inspired to do her look, so let's go ahead and start with the parting sections that you'll need to do, or that I did. Simple and easy, and I'm using ebin edge control instead of gel here because I want my braids to look very neat and sleek. So this is like the key to doing it, especially if you have like coarse or curly hair. This will keep it in place also. And this is my little edge brush that I got from my local beauty supply store. And I'm using some braiding hair, regular cankalon or cankalon, however you say it. I'm just using this to make the braid thicker because my edges in the front aren't as thick, so my braids for this small section of hair aren't that big. So you don't have to use extensions, but I'm just doing it just for video purposes to make it look like hers. Also, I'm making sure that I'm braiding upwards, like towards a high ponytail position, because I made the mistake at first of actually braiding lower. I forgot that I was totally doing a high ponytail, so make sure if you're recreating this look that you braid it towards the middle of the section or like straight back. And I'm just going to do this to the middle section also. I've already braided the second section on the other side, and this is just to keep the sleek look. Yara Shahidi is, I believe, mixed with Iranian, so her hair texture is a bit looser, so her hair looks more sleek even though it's in its curly state. But for girls with my hair texture, 4A-ish, I believe, my curls are kind of brownish, literally. So you're going to use, more product to lay it down and to sleek it. And, obviously using a good brush and later laying it down with a scarf. So to get it sleek, I'm just applying, gel and also ebin edge control, which is a really good edge control. It doesn't leave your hair cakey or white. And I'm just combing it back, and I'm actually forgetting that this is not a low ponytail. I don't know what I was thinking, like I guess I was rushing, but this would be a cute low ponytail idea, especially for the upcoming holiday, Valentine's Day. So you could try this look yourself as a low ponytail, but later on in the video I'm going to get it together, I promise. And all of the products will be in the description box, by the way. So now I'm sleeking it up to a high ponytail because I actually remembered. So this is just really easy, just doing the ponytail by itself first. I know it seems weird, but I'm doing my ponytail first, and at the end, after I attach the weave ponytail, I'm going to then latch the braids onto it to make it look like it's wrapped around the ponytail. Okay, and after I applied the scarf for about an hour in real time, I can now do the ponytail while my hair is actually, drying. So the key to getting this style is basically just using the same ponytail. It's not really a ponytail, it's just hair that comes from the braiding packet. So you just put a rubber band around it to kind of mold it around your ball. And you can do double, I don't know, what do you call it when you wrap it around twice? But in this case, I'm just going to do it once and twice around certain ones that I feel are loose. So this is how you get the little genie bubble Princess Jasmine from Aladdin hairstyle. And it's kind of like a scrunchie in a way, so you can just scrunch it if you want the bubble to be bigger or if you want it to be slimmer. It really doesn't matter. It's just all to your liking, or my liking in this case. And there's two ways that you can do the ends. You can boil it in hot water, but I really don't feel that's necessary. So I'm just using gel, and I'm just going to apply it to the ends of the hair to make it stick together, and then voila. Really simple, really easy. Cute for school or a random date. So now I've taken the scarf off, as you can see, and I'm just, kind of setting the ball or ponytail in place. And now I'm going to wrap the two loose braids around it. I honestly, this is my first time trying this, and I did not watch any tutorials, so I'm just rigging this to make it look just like hers. So yeah. But that's basically it to this easy hairstyle. This hairstyle was $1, literally $1. All of the hair, this is only about, let's say, one full pack of kinkaline or braiding hair. So yeah, literally $1. And after you wrap it, of course, put a bobby pin in it, and you're good to go. So I want you guys to comment below whether you think I hit or I missed this, or if I was spot on, or if it was cute. And also comment below if you're enjoying this series and what celebrities you'd like for me to appreciate in my Black History Month series. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and thumbs up and share, especially on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, and tag Yara.